Hey guys, today we are remaking the LED light for our pick-and-place machine. Before, we used an RGB LED ring with an ESP32 to turn it on-off and to get a white color. That gave us a lot of flexibility, but it came with a price. We needed a COM port, an extra USB connection, and we had to pass the USB to WSL Ubuntu because we're running Clipper on Ubuntu. That's not a big problem. The big problem was the ESP32 signal was too weak. The flat light on the bed worked fine, but the one on the Z gantry wasn't getting the signal correctly. I added a resistor at the end of the line to remove noise, but it didn't work. We only had 2 LEDs on. So I decided to redesign the LED ring with a simple on-off option. Because we're using the printer fan output to control it, we can use PWM to dim the light. It will be much easier to connect. No USB, no extra power from another source. We just designed a 24-volt LED ring that works directly with our SKR Mini mainboard. I made the design in KiCad. For the PCB manufacturing, I used the sponsor of this video, PCBWay. They have their own plugin. Install it as an add-on to KiCad, and when you're done with your design, just click the PCBWay icon, and voila. No need to export anything, no extra steps or files. Directly on the PCBWay website, you can check your design and the options you want. If you want a fancy stencil like mine, you can get one. It was a little expensive, but I just wanted to try it. The normal stencil works just as fine. After a few days, I received my PCB. The stencil is maybe too much, but I like it. I'll use it as a decoration later, or maybe I'll give it away to one of you guys. It was a little hard to use the stencil, but I managed to make it work. Then the placing of the components and soldering with a heat gun. It took some time for the solder paste to melt. I set the heat gun to 370 degrees Celsius and the airflow to about 40% to get it to melt, because I used 2 ounces copper and the ground pour on the underside was a little too good at pulling heat. That's actually a good thing for the LEDs. I used the heat gun from the other side because the plastic around the LEDs will melt if the hot air is blowing on them directly. Cleaning and testing everything works like a charm. I replaced the old LED with the new one, made a small connector header to plug it into the SKR Mini fan port, and voila, we have an easy on-off light that works directly from main cell on Ubuntu, and I can dim it too. I'll add the files to GitHub so you don't waste time on the mistakes I made. The PNP video is coming really soon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to watch the whole PCB design, it's at the end of the video in a speedrun.